Guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes. Today I've got for sale this. It's a Ducati 899. It's an ABF version and it's an absolute Bobby Dazzler. This one's a 2014 on a 64 plate. 4,621 miles from new. However, looks like it's done 5 miles. Really nice. Tail tidy on there. It's also got the Gilles rear sets and the Termignoni end cans there, so it sounds as good as it looks. Comes with a steering dampener on this. Really nice and light. Italian style. Fabulous. Show you the clocks there as well, and then we'll give it a start up. Shower adjustable forks. What more do you need? Who doesn't love that sound? It's absolutely fantastic. Anyway, guys, you've seen the bike. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes or simply just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.